I'll do a lap, but I'm not going to stand up because I don't want you all to laugh at me when I fall in. My pileated woodpecker friend. Pileated? What do you say? Drop it in the comments. Pileated? Pileated? Oh, there's all kinds of them.
Well, what day is it?
It is December 12th. I know, I got my watch on today. It's December 12th. It's day 12 of our vlog challenge. Sorry for being dark over the, you gotta go get the cat.
Yeah.
Sorry for being dark over the past couple of days, but we're out here away from cell service, away from our only source of internet. So we'll upload these right when we get back. You'll have a few of them to watch, including day 10. We actually got here last night, the 11th. Yesterday we were in Natchez and we decided to continue our theme of getting out of town. And that's what we did. We came over here to the to a national forest, which I won't venture to pronounce. Maybe it'll show up here. But we're at the Clear Springs Campground, which is a national forest campground here that actually has hot showers and electricity and hookups, and it's all pay by envelope system. You did that yesterday. How'd that go?
I like being able to just show up and, you know, fill out a check and put it in the box.
Self-serve.
Yeah, I think that's a good thing. You have to, you know, you don't have to have internet. You don't have to book in advance. I'm a fan.
Yeah, you just hang a little tag on your windshield and you're good to go. We paid for 2 nights. We're going to stay here. There's actually, I think, 22 campsites. There's 10 on this loop and 10 on another. Right here on a neat little pond. We'll take you for a walk here in a minute. And we're actually not really that far off the highway, really, right? We turned off that double lane.
We're about 40 minutes from Natchez, but I feel like the first 15 or 20 of that was just getting out of town. So no, I don't think we're very far away.
Yep, and then a short ways down the National Park Road where we found that is a big bug.
Only 3 miles away from the highway, I think.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Off the...
where they had, you know, a good dump station and fresh water fill. We did that, offloaded some trash, and today we get to actually explore the place. Like I said yesterday, we got a couple of the toys out since the sun was peeking through and enjoyed our evening. But now we're gonna grab the cat who's tied up over here to this pole. So we keep looking back there. He's exploring, looking for bugs and snakes and stuff under this big log. But we're gonna take him for a walk and walk the loop here and see what it's like over here. There's actually a nice little pond with tons of turtles. They were all out yesterday sunning themselves, and I keep scaring them back in the water. So we'll go have a look around. There's the beast. You ready to go on a walk? These two are both very restless right now, so we need to get them some exercise.
We gotta move.
Let's go move. We snagged a pretty cool campsite here. It's number 2, and it's backed right up against the edge of this pond, and you can walk right out to the picnic area and the little peninsula that sticks out into the water. There are 10 sites on this loop, and they're all pretty cool here under the pines.
This isn't weird, okay? This is very normal. Lots of people walk cats.
I don't think that's true. You could build a fire in there. That's pretty cool. This is an awesome little shelter you can reserve. Fireplace. Looks down over the water. Pretty awesome little shelter you can rent up there with a fireplace and picnic tables and neat little presentation area here with benches and a few spots for picnics. Looks like they got grills. I gotta go check those out. A little bit later here, we're gonna grill some burgers, have dinner, use up the rest of my charcoal.
Realize there's water. He's like, yeah.
I'm out. Yuck.
Why does he like to walk on the edge of things? He did it when we were at the swamp too, like, oh.
That's where all the good spiders and lizards are.
This is pretty neat. And affordable. I think it's what, only 20 bucks a night?
Yeah, we paid 20 bucks a night, and I bet you it fills up in the summertime, but right now it feels like, you know, our own special little playground in the woods.
Undiscovered territory.
Yeah.
Complete with picnic tables, grills, and trash cans.
Yeah. And a massive amount of turtles.
We found this on iOverlander, and I actually didn't really entertain the campground at first, just because I don't like to pay to spend the night places. But there's also dispersed camping nearby, and that's what I looked at originally, until we got out here and saw how cool the campground is. Then it's worth it. Especially because it has amenities like a dump station, things that we can't get on the, you know, on the fly, like electricity we always have. Oop, watch the cat, watch the cat! And don't knock him into the water. Because you know it would be me going after him if he fell off the bridge.
How am I supposed to get across this? Nope.
You know, when we were in Richmond, Powhatan and the state parks there started kind of tapering off at Labor Day, you know, September. And we're like, doesn't everybody realize that it's just now getting nice? We're like, you know, why give up on getting outside just because it's September? I don't get it. The van is this way.
It's like I want to continue walking.
No, he wants the van, he hasn't seen it yet. Come on, my van!
To go check and make sure my food dish is still full. Yep, right to the food dish. Yeah, that's precisely what I'm about to do. I'm ready for some burgers. Made it back to camp. Now we're loading up to head over to the picnic area and grill. Not too far from the campsite. It's right over there. What? I like to come prepared. Give me that camera. All right, I'm ready. The grills are pretty all right. They got lids. That'll do. Hey, you know, I feel like we made this video before. You out there paddling and me grilling.
Kind of our life.
Paddling picnic, Mississippi edition. Enjoy your paddle out there. I'll let you know when dinner's ready. Also, I expect you to report any cool wildlife sightings.
Thanks, I'm just chasing turtles right now.
If you like cooking on charcoal and you haven't tried a natural lump charcoal yet, I get this big bag at Sam's Club. Definitely give that a try. It smells and tastes so much better than like a regular briquette. You know, it's made out of, you know, real wood, not pulp pressed together. A lot of them are acacia, or this one is a hardwood, comes from Mexico, but it smells like a real fire and it tastes so much better on your food. And we've actually even used it to start campfires at campsites when we don't have good kindling. You throw a couple of the big pieces down there, lights right away, and then you're enjoying a nice campfire in minutes instead of waiting for it to heat up. We really like it. You ready for dinner? Yep, I'm getting ready to throw the burgers on right now. Boy, am I excited to eat these. One, I'm starving, and two, it's the last of the local grass-finished beef I got when we visited Joel Salatin's farm, Polyface. We were really excited to get to visit his farm when we were up in the Shenandoah Valley in Virginia. Very cool thing he's doing up there, and I'm a big fan. Here's my dinner. You can have that half one.
What the heck?
Had the gimbal straight down. Well, we got some sunshine after all. It turned out to be a beautiful evening. Dinner was really good. We had another splash on the lake. I even went out on the paddleboard, standing up in my park ranger outfit and everything. We're gonna chill out here, build a little bit of a fire with some sticks we found, chill over here in the hammock, watch the sunset. Let's see if I don't fall out of this thing. Or fall into it, rather.